Here's how you can resize a PDF to fit an A4 or any other paper size on your iPhone. Or just switch up the paper size of a PDF real quick. Let's roll. First, crack open the PDF you want to mess with. You can do this right from the Files app or the Preview app that's already sitting on your iPhone with iOS 26. Now pop that PDF open. By default, most of these files rock the US letter format. We're going to switch that up. So, tap the share icon down at the bottom of your screen, then hit print on that share sheet. Once you're in there, look for paper size, tap it, and pick a 4, or whatever size you want. After that, smash the share button again to save your PDF with the new paper size. When the share sheet pops up again, tap Save to Files. Pick where you want to drop this new A4 file. Give it a fresh name, like slap an A4 in front so you don't accidentally overwrite your original PDF in Files. Then just tap Save Up in the top right corner. Boom, that's it. Want to double check? Go peek under the file info to see the new paper size. You're all set. Got any more questions or need a hand? Drop a comment below. And yo, if you dug this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide vids coming your way.